Okay, hello. I'm going to open my FabFitFun box with you guys. I know a little bit about what's in here because I customized it. When you become a annual member and pay $179 for a whole year, you get like perks like quicker delivery and more customizations, and also early add-ons, which is my favorite perk because I'm an add-on fanatic. I actually got a bunch of stuff this time for my add-on, this being one of them. I also got this cool eyeshadow palette. Oh, there's the plastic. And then I also got, oh, I already opened this, but this lip plumper. Okay, let's dig in. So if you want to know anything else about it, feel free to, comment below and ask me questions and I will answer them. It always comes with tiny, you have to go. Okay, so it comes with this little booklet, and it features it's featured Gina Rodriguez this time. It always features like different women. Last time it was Maria Shriver. This time it's her, and then if you swipe through, it gives you an article about her and what she's doing, and then other stuff about it, but also it gives you, I'm not exactly sure where it is in here. Oh, I think it's this. What could come in your box and how much everything is worth. My cat's already digging in. She's so excited. Okay, so then you can see, like, after you're done looking at your stuff, you can see how much it's actually, like, worth. So you're paying, if you buy them monthly, which not monthly, it's like seasonally, so you only get 4 boxes a year. So if you buy them seasonally per box, it's $50. So you're saving $20 and you're getting a lot of perks by doing it annually. Okay, so I always put it in this cute, look how cute this box is. And it comes with this cute little wrapping, so you get to open it like a present, which is my favorite part. Okay, so I know some of the things that are already in here because I got to customize it. I get to customize pretty much my whole box. But I really like that because I'm not really a surprise person. Like, I don't like to be surprised. I like to know what I'm getting. But if you like to be surprised, you don't have to customize any of it, and it can all be a surprise, which is totally cool too. So it was a total surprise for my first box, and then as I kept going, when I upgraded, I got to customize more, and then I found that I liked personally to customize the things that I get. But you don't have to. It's personal preference. I can't talk. Okay, the first thing we have here is silicone straws, and I'm gonna open it up just to see. I have some silicone straws and stuff. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is like one of the things that I've been looking for. This is so cool. So they look like they're thick enough to suck like a smoothie for, which is what I use my straws for. And also comes with this cool case that you can put it inside of, so you can do it on the go, and then you can attach it to something. And then when you're out to eat and some places don't give you straws, and if you prefer a straw, then you can take this and it's on the go. That's so convenient. And I've been looking for one like this too, so honestly, I can't remember if I customized this or not. Okay, so the next thing, it looks like, I think I did customize this. This is Murad. If you're familiar with their acne products, they're great. And there's like a skincare. But this in particular I chose because it's collagen infused, and I am lacking collagen. I have a lot of wrinkles, and that's okay. I mean, we're old over here, so I guess I will open it up and show you the size of it. Okay, that seems like a pretty legit amount for it. I don't know how much it was or anything, but like if you bought it full price, like this stuff usually lasts me a long time, so that's why I like it, because it's full sized and you get it seasonally, so you have time to use the things that you get. I found that a lot of things that you get quicker, you don't really use it. You kind of throw it to the side because you just have so many things. So I really liked that about this, that it's not so often. I don't think I customized this, but this looks amazing. I love a good body oil. So this is pomegranate and mongongo. I'm not exactly sure what that is, or if I'm butchering that. I've never actually heard of this brand, but I'm sure it smells amazing. So, body oil. Yes. I did customize this. I knew this was going to be in here. This is a hibiscus plant-based body scrub, and it's a hibiscus. I don't know. You can't really smell them when you get that close, so I'm interested to see how this smells. It's kind of like apricot-y. I don't know. It smells really good though. And it has shea butter and vitamins, and I'm pretty sure it's just a shower scrub. So you get in the shower and you scrub your, oh, it smells so good. You scrub your body with it, get all clean. Okay, so I have a body, or not a body spray, a pillow spray for sleeping that is from This Works. And this is a very good company. I love all their products. Most of the things that you get from FabFitFun are vegan and not tested on animals, which is something that I completely love. And some of it's even organic. So this is a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. So I'm guessing this is like a lotion. It says it's a lotion. Deep sleep body cocoon. Use nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin while you sleep. So this is a body lotion. I guess it's for your whole body, which, I don't know, that smell probably smells so good. All of the stuff that I get from this smells so good. I might have to open it at a later time and let you know about that one. Okay, and then we have this. I think I got to customize this as well, and then the next thing I got to customize too. So I pretty much got to customize our whole box, so that's great because I hate surprises. So this is a watermelon energizing 2-minute polishing peel, which is probably amazing because watermelon is supposed to be really good for your skin. So I'm really excited to try that. I kind of actually want to smell it, and then I'll open it to see, or I guess show you how big it is. Oh, it's a pretty good size. Let's smell it. That's always a good tester. Oh my god, guys, it smells like watermelon. That smells so delicious. Oh my god, I can't wait to use it. It's gonna be so awesome. Okay, so let me see if I can open this. I think I'm gonna be able to. I'm really not gonna be able to. Maybe I'll have to ask my boyfriend to do it. Anyway, we'll get back to that. I just don't want to run out of time. So then we have, I did customize this. This is my 2-in-1 grinder. I actually dropped mine on the floor the other day and broke it. So I got, I knew that this was coming in the mail, and actually I got my box a week or two ago, but I've been like putting off opening it so I can make a video. So, stop! So I can make a video. So, okay, so I'm really excited about this because I needed it. And I've been putting off opening my box, but I wanted to do it because now I need this. So here we are. So I'm going to open this so I can show it to you. And also so I can use it. This is a salt and pepper grinder, which is awesome because this thing is so freaking gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, it's so beautiful. You can make it the adjustment for how big you want the granules to come out, which is like my favorite part of grinders. And then it's also refillable, which is great too because that makes you're cutting down waste. Because every time you buy those ones in the store that are glass, you have to throw them away after they're done. You can't refill them. So that's also a really great product for reusing things. Okay, so I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is the last thing in my box. And wait till you see this. It's so fucking cute. I love it so much. I can't wait to take it to the beach. I'm gonna stand up here so you can see it a little bit better. But it is this gorgeous Summer and Rose tote bag. Oh my god, it's so cute. And it's cute. Oh my god, it's perfect. So it folds out, so the bottom, it creates like a square. So it's actually like a bag. So you can put like a bunch of stuff in it, like a couple of towels and some lotion and whatever you need for the beach. It's so cute. Pull it all out here. Oh my gosh, love. This is so cute. All right, that's it for my box. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and I will get back to you on any questions that you have. I'm gonna try to open this so I can smell it because it's probably delicious. Oh, I got it, yay, okay. Oh my god, it smells so good. Okay, I'm a fan of things that smell really good, but not a lot of fragrance, so that smells good, but it's not too much, so there you have it. There's my product review for the FabFitFun box. This is the spring box. So it has like springy stuff in it, like this cute tote bag that you can just like put like things in for like the spring. If you want to use it for class, whatever, the gym. And then all of these other products are, and including that, are in here in your little book. You can go to the page and then you can figure out how much each of the items are, and then if you want to purchase another, like after you run out of whatever it is that you have, you can purchase more, and that will tell you exactly where to get it and every information that you could possibly be looking for. So thanks for watching, and I will be posting more videos about reviewing things. If you want, ask me to review something and I will review it. And make sure that you subscribe. I already did that, thanks. I have the peanut gallery over there helping me out. Bye, subscribe.